Started out looking for gray or, thicker textured pieces of hair, and then like pulling my grays out, but then it just got worse. And stress seemed to make it worse. I just knew I had this impulsive I had to pull my hair. It's categorized as a psychological impulse control disorder. I initially did seek out a psychologist who specialized just in trichotillomania, and I did habit reversal therapy and tried different medications. I had a pretty high profile job where I was really out in the public, and it was in a fashion industry, and it's all about image and how you look, and so it had a huge negative impact on me on many levels. The first place I went to, they did hair extensions, and it didn't really work. It didn't really help with the hair pulling, because it really wasn't covering areas of my scalp where I was prone to pull. So it wasn't the best solution. And then I ended up moving on and finding someone who did, in North Jersey, who did an integrated type of wig. And that was a disastrous experience. At that point, I just was so determined to find a solution, and that's when I found Danielle.
I do see a lot of trichotillomania clients in my business. The CNC was the right option for Louise because of how much it looks like and feels like your own natural scalp. Because of the way it's made with the 3D printing technology that they use, it's an actual replica of the scalp, the skull, that they're actually making the piece on from our measurements that we send them.
The fact that it actually covers the part of my scalp where I was pulling the most was really a big factor. They match your exact scalp color to your own. Everything is sort of completely matched to your own skin, and your hairline and the way your hair grows, like everything is pretty much customized to you. I come here as I would every month for cut and color, whereas what I dealt with before, it would get loose almost like 3 days after I gotten it tightened. And they also treat my scalp, so it's not just about the aesthetic appearance, it's also about treating my scalp so that my hair that is now not being touched has a chance to finally grow, and that's occurring. It sort of deals with the disorder on so many different levels in such a better way than any of the other options that I tried, that it's just clearly the best way to go. But she's the only person that I know of in the area that does this.
It's looking just like her natural scalp and hair, even though it's a prosthetic, which in turn helps because she won't pull the prosthetic. It stops you for that split second to actually think about what you're doing. So in some cases, it helps stop the impulse for the moment. It feels so good to be able to help somebody with that and be a part of that very personal part of their life.
Without a doubt, this is by far the best solution that I've found to dealing with trichotillomania for me.